Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video today I'm going to walk you through the smart spam detection feature inside of the reputation management. Yes, the system is now able to detect spam reviews automatically that being placed on your Google accounts or Facebook pages. This feature will help you to improve the quality of your spam by filtering out those nasty spam comments, which makes it easier for your team or for yourself to manage those reviews. It saves you a ton of time and effort, and the reputation management system, like the AI replies, will not be triggered when the system detects a spam comment before that. Let me show you how that looks like. All right, first click on reputation on the left, and then click on settings at the top. Then here on the left, you can click on spam reviews. And here at the top, you have the opportunity to keep it off or to turn it on. Let's turn it on in this case. And let's make sure to hit save bottom right. Down here, you can read again what kind of impacts in the system this feature has. So all new incoming reviews will be automatically detected if they are spam or not, okay? Then users will have control to override the decision that's been taken by the system. Meaning, hey, if the system says, hey, this looks like spam, but you say, hey, that is not spam, then you can override that decision. Automatic reviews reply will not be sent for spam detected reviews. Scheduled review replies can be stopped by manually marking review as spam. Spam detected reviews will not show up in review widget. That is the widget on your websites or funnels, so they will not be pulled into that, of course. And then spam detected reviews also won't be added to the dashboard overview if you have set that up into your dashboards, okay? So now if you click on reviews at the top, then you can click the drop-down menu right here and you can filter by spam and not spam. Let's select spam, and here you can see all the reviews that have been marked as spam by the system. Then you can decide if you want to delete that review or if you want to mark it as not spam. You just click the three dots on the right here and then select your desired outcome. And at the same time, if you see a review that the system hasn't detected as spam, but you consider it as spam, you also click the three dots on the right and you can here mark review as spam. If you accidentally marked a review as spam, you can then review the action by just clicking, hey, not mark as spam. And again, to remind you, the AI does not reply to reviews marked as spam, so there isn't any interaction or any engagement on those fake reviews. All right, I hope you like this new feature, and I will see you in the next video.